Master pro movement in Roblox Arsenal to outmaneuver opponents and control the battlefield. Most players miss these simple but powerful techniques.
Want to dodge like a pro in Arsenal? Keep your movements unpredictable to confuse your opponents. Mix up your jumps and strafes, and never run in a straight line. Master this, and watch your survival rate soar. Maps are your secret weapon. Get familiar with all the nooks and crannies. Use high ground and tight corners to your advantage. Control the map, and you'll control the game. Outthink, outmaneuver, and outplay.
Strafing is key. Move side to side while shooting to dodge enemy fire. Keep your moves unpredictable, and your opponents will have a hard time landing hits. This simple trick can turn the tide of battle. Keep moving. Momentum is your best friend in Arsenal. Chain your jumps and slides to move fluidly across the map. The faster you are, the harder you are to hit. Stay ahead, stay alive.
Outrun and outgun your opponents. Use your speed to flank enemies and take them by surprise. With these movement tips, you'll always have the upper hand. Become the ultimate Arsenal champion. Try these tips in your next game and comment if they worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Roblox secrets every day. Level up your game and dominate in style.